slums life is too tough to say you that. Honestly, the morning, early morning, people they wake up. Some people they're going to the ports. They are fishermen because they laborers. They work in the ship because they take out the all fish early morning 5 o'clock, and they have wholesale market. So they're trying to first thing going to the toilets, and so the toilets they have stones putting their names. That's mean he's in the queue. So he don't have to worry that he can wake up very early, you know. So in the middle of the night they are putting the stones. So I'm in this number, I am in that number. So everybody wake up and they go straight to the toilets, and they say, "Oh, this is my stone, my name. So my number is number 2, number 1, like that, no? Number 3."
Okay.
So they are doing that. Then they come back, and when they finish, they have a bath, home, shower, not shower but bath in a bucket. They have bucket to bath. So they take that bath and they just go by walk, because in the morning they have no transportations. They cannot take the taxis, it's very expensive now. So they go by walk to the port, the Sasun dock, where the fisherman comes and they take out the old fish from the container to the out. So that's fisherman stories. And second thing, the garbage guys, they are walking 4 o'clock early morning till they run every street, all areas. So they get some bottles, you know, the bottles, papers, and all garbage things, you know. They go to Bangarwalas, you know. They have scrap shops. So some of them they get money from the scrap shops. Some of them they get drugs, you know. With you sell them garbage, they give you drugs. You know, they also doing like this. And some alcoholic people in the morning 5 o'clock, they are waiting for the shutter up the shops, you know, for get a wine. Indian countries, so they are also in the queue in the morning. Then the coolies, you know, they are going to the railway stations early morning. They have very early morning big trains coming from the north of India, south of India, and all the east and western railways. So they have to go also, and they go just running from slum to the train stations every morning, because they get a nice customers, you know. If you don't go early, you don't get a nice customers. So everybody's trying to get good customers. So that's coolies. Okay, another things, there are a lot of characters, you know. I mean, the shoe shine boys, also shoe shine men. I mean, the cobblers, we call them shoe shine boy. And originally they call cobblers. So he's also going early morning to open his shops to get a lot of chappals, you know. They fell down in this train, a lot of people's train, and plastic chappals, you know. So they go to there and they make good work for that, because somebody has broken from the bus, somebody has broken on the trains, lot of problems. So the cobblers business start early morning, and also the dabbawalas, lot of people's they're doing dabbas, you know, the lunch box for the watchmen, you know. They are security for the apartments. So they have some peoples. They make 100 lunch box for the, the securities and the laborers and the factories. They take tippins, 20 rupees per one lunch box every day. So they are also lunch box. The people very. They have to wake up and make the food and put the old dabbas, tiffins, So they have also wake up very early. And also people are working in suburb, so they have to catch the train. So they also wake up very early, and they take the first train, 3:30s. 3:30, the first train is start from the stations. Then everybody is trying to go faster, So for the government workers, some people working in the port, the naval yard, naval docks. So you get the godowns make empty, for that labor. That's part of like a police, So that people also. And I have to think about it.